It will be very interesting for Kenyans to know, why is it that the board, the chair of the board, a former senator, is now saying, I do not have any role in procurement, yet you are directing that that contract be signed immediately. What is your interest? Were you bribed to be able to push for that?
Are you through?
You know,
Are you
I'm
through?
not through. Wait, I will tell you when I'm through. So don't take us as if we are stupid or foolish here. We know what we're dealing with. We have gone through the documentation. So when we ask you questions about direct procurement, please answer. This is a very emotive issue, and don't give me that smirk.
If you read that email again, and I own it, and I'm not shirking responsibility from it, you see that I'm giving a direction to the CEO on what has to be done in the circumstances. I copied it to the legal director. I copied it to the procurement director. If I was trying to hide something, why should I do that? If you want to pass aspersions and say that I have an interest in that matter, you'd have to show that I have an interest other than as the chairman of the board of directors of KEMSA.
A lot of pressure for providing commodities in this country. We received SMSs, we received phone calls, we received emails, we received letters, and we were told to distribute to several hot points at that time where there was COVID, especially the coastal region, and here in Nairobi and Mandera. And all those issues were accompanied with a lot of pressure, and we did not have these commodities. Then what happened is that the understanding that I had given earlier is that this funding will come from National Treasury under the donor contribution. This budget will come from the MOH, and this budget will come from the COVID fund that had been created in this country.